Tired of messy cables and cluttered desks? The RayHenry 2 PCS Cable Organizer Box with 7 clear switch cases offers a smart solution to tame your workspace. Designed with durable, transparent plastic, this organizer keeps everything visible and easy to find, so you never waste time digging through tangled wires again. Each box features 7 individual compartments, perfect for sorting cables, chargers, and small accessories. The clear, waterproof, and dust-resistant design ensures your items stay protected while making it simple to spot what you need at a glance. Plus, the portable size means you can easily carry your essentials wherever you go. Measuring 7.87 by 3.93 by 2.36, these organizer boxes are built to hold cables up to 5 feet long. The stackable design saves precious desk and drawer space, letting you customize your storage without creating extra clutter. It's an efficient way to keep your workspace clean and organized. Beyond cables, this versatile organizer works great for all kinds of small items. Whether it's earphones, cards, paperclips, or sticky notes, everything stays neatly separated. It even doubles as a stylish storage box for cosmetics and jewelry. Think earrings, rings, watches, lipsticks, and bracelets all in one place. Ideal for home, office, or school, the RayHenry Cable Organizer Box adapts to your needs. Use it to tidy desks, drawers, cabinets, or countertops. It's a handy tool for organizing classrooms, bedrooms, or living rooms, keeping stationery, jewelry, and cosmetics perfectly arranged and easy to access. If you're ready to clear the chaos and bring order to your daily routine, this cable organizer box is worth a look. It combines durability, clarity, and smart design to transform how you manage your small essentials. Say goodbye to tangled wires and cluttered spaces for good. Organize smarter and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient workspace with the RayHenry 2 PCS Cable Organizer Box. Try it when you're ready to experience the difference a well-designed storage solution can make.